Hey guys! So for today, I wanted to switch it up and have a little bit of fun with this lesson. So we're going to make slime. I have tried so many different ingredients, and I think that I found one that's going to work. Let me show you all of the fails that I've tried. Okay, so this one was white glue, water, food coloring, and baking soda, and it did not turn out right. It's just like very lumpy. Didn't work. I also tried a food coloring, glue, water, and sugar, and this one didn't work either. And then I tried a salt, water, and glue, and someone said to stick it in the microwave. Also did not work. And then I tried a salt and toothpaste. Didn't work either. So you gotta be careful about what you look up on the internet because some of this stuff just doesn't work. And then this one was sugar and toothpaste. Also did not work. So now I'm finally trying. I had to phone a friend and I asked my neighbor. Her name is Gabby, so shout out to Gabby for helping me out here. And she's a middle school student, so I knew she would know how to do this. So she gave me the right formula, so I hope this works. So if you want to try this out, this is what she told me. Glue, baking soda, and contact solution. You just have to read and make sure it has boric acid in it. And I'm also going to add a little bit of food coloring. So I looked this up on the internet, and this kind does have boric acid in it. So I really hope this time it works. All right. And you know, if you want to try out some of those other things that I did, you can go ahead, but it just didn't work out for me. Something with not putting the right amount of mixtures in there. So let's try this. So I've got a little plastic cup that I can just throw away or recycle at the end, so I'm just not making a huge mess. So let me start with our glue. And I'm running low here, so I really hope it works this time. All right. That's good. Sure, some of you are really good slime experts and probably way better than me. Next, we have baking soda contact solution. Okay, I'm really nervous about this, but I have baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. All right, I'm nervous, but I'm gonna give it a go. All right, we gotta put some baking powder on. I don't know how much, but we gotta just give it a try. And the contact solution. Uh-oh. All right, fingers crossed. Will it do any? Oh my gosh, guys, it's working. Oh, no way. Okay, Gabby, thank you so much. All right, let's color this. I really want to make this one green. I don't know why. The other ones just turned out really cool as being green, so I'm just going to stick with the green. That was so easy, and I just was trying so hard to make all those other things, and this worked. No way. Can I get it to the point where I can like actually touch it? That's like the goal, obviously. We don't just want to keep everything in the cups. Whoa! Wow, this is so good. I was being so doubtful. Wow. Okay, it's still a little sticky yet. Oh my gosh. It worked. All right, here we go. I think it needs a little bit more solution to it. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Let me see why the kids always ask me for glue. You guys know in my classroom when kids say, Miss Hess, can I have some glue? My number one question is going to be, what are you using it for? What do you need it for? And this is, I know why, because it's so addicting and fun to play with. Very satisfying. You guys were right. Cool. And I'm loving this lime green color. Yes, this is fun. I'm so glad I did this. So again, if you want that recipe, glue, baking soda, contact solution, make sure it has the boric acid in it, and then just some food coloring.